Hi, my name's Abby, and I'm going to teach you to solve triple brackets like a pro.
Okay, we're going to start off by splitting up these triple brackets. I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm going to focus on just these two brackets first. We're going to expand these two using the FOIL method, which stands for firsts, outsides, insides, lasts. So let's expand these second two brackets. Now that we've expanded those brackets, we're going to actually pull that first bracket down, so our sum looks like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try and times the first term in that first bracket by everything in that second bracket. Should look something like this. Now we're going to do the same thing with the second term, timesing everything in the second bracket. So let's tidy this up. Now what we've got here is we've got an x cubed something, an x squared something, an x something, and a number thing. And that's what we're looking to get whenever we expand triple brackets. Okay, now let's try with another example. See if you can follow along with this one. Now that we've expanded that out, we're going to bring that first bracket down.
And there we go. You can watch this video as many times as you need to, but now you have all the skills you need to become a pro at triple brackets. Creme de la creme de la creme.